Wow. Look at this work truck.
Hey, buddy.
I see you with that work truck. Oh my god. Got him. Turn on his heat. Oh, you got the heat. You got the heater on. You sweating?
No. I need another beer.
This Modelo.
All right, we finally made it to Rudy's. Holden's truck is posted up at Hot Shot Secrets booth. And to our right, we got AirDog booth. Looking sharp.
Nasty.
Got it finally all detailed up.
Somewhat.
Somewhat.
Got dirty on the way up on the trailer. So.
Did it? I think people are digging it. Y'all like it?
I got an L5P myself, so I love this shit.
Holden's truck seems to be pretty popular out here.
I want to convert my.
You want to convert yours to single cab? Lined up. Everyone's got drag slicks. Need it for him. Huh? Yeah?
He needs it.
That's 400. That's 400 compound photo.
Really? Oh, look at that.
I like that exhaust setup. Turn on too.
Oh, nice.
Still has not had a full pull out of that drag.
Oh, that was anticlimactic.
Jackson stand through the left lane time.
God. Thing is nasty.
Exhaust right by the freaking thing.
And look who showed up with a broken toe.
At least I showed up.
How did that even happen? I still can't picture how it happened. Me and Stan were trying to figure out.
Alright, so foot like this. Ball hits back of foot.
Oh, okay.
Pushes toe into the ground.
Okay.
Toe turns sideways.
Ugh. Hey, who dropped the ball? How did you drop the ball like that?
I was goofing around.
Oh boy. Ugh, dude, that's just like.
I was messing with my wife. And
Yeah.
I was like, just like playing around. And I was like, look, babe, I can throw this ball over my shoulder while I'm on my knee. So
Oh my God.
down on one knee like this, and I threw the ball over my shoulder. And as soon as I realized that my foot was back there, I was like, I need to move my foot. And then it was too late.
It was a 100-pound ball. Oof. And it's broken.
Well, it's fractured a little bit. It was mostly dislocated. That was the big
Oh
part.
God, that's why it was like.
That's why my toe.
That's why it was going up
Yeah, it was
instead of down.
sideways. Oh, man.
There we go. When are we gonna get this thing on the track?
Anytime soon, brother.
0 to 60 eventually.
0 to 60 as slow as I can go.
This thing's a beast though, like super tall.
I forgot it's been dirty for so long. I forgot how clean it actually is.
Oh yeah. Your cap broke all the way.
Yeah, my Kelderman cap broke off.
Yeah. So you gotta order a new one.
Yeah, I got it at the house. I just gotta get it painted.
I feel like we should just get some.
This is CJ from AirDog here with JW. I wanted to give you a quick rundown here of how our fuel system actually would work on your vehicle. So this is going to simulate your fuel tank driving down the road. You're going to have entrained air from the returning fuel back to the tank, as well as the oscillation of driving. What this simulation will show is this is the air-rated fuel that would be going to your engine without our lift pump system. Once it goes through our system, we're going to separate the water from the fuel, remove the air from the fuel, and filter it down to 2 micron all at the same time, so you're getting the cleanest fuel possible to your engine. As well as we have upgraded flow rates for different horsepower levels, things like that. But one big large demonstration let me show you is that would be one large gulp of air. So that air would be going to your injection system. You'll notice that you're still getting clean fuel with no aeration, while most of the aerated fuel is actually sent back to the tank using our low flow return. Like I said, getting the cleanest fuel possible to your engine.
Cool. So why would you recommend AirDog over Fast?
So there's some similarities between the systems. Now, I'll be truthful, the original AirDog is going to be fairly similar to a Fast, as the Fast was based on an original AirDog.
Okay.
This is going to be a high flow return, so it does have a fixed ball and spring style regulator. Now, where you're getting the big difference is our top of the line 4G style unit. There's no other lift pump on the market like this. This is going to be a 4-bearing pump head assembly, so there's actually going to be a bearing on each side of the electric motor to support it, so you have no deflection in the unit. And also, we're going to have a bearing on each side of the pump assembly. So a lot of times, on like original AirDogs like a Fast, the noise you hear is actually the gear rotor chattering.
Oh, okay.
So supporting that on either side will actually quiet the system up. Also, there's going to be a Lovejoy coupler between the two. So any other shaft deflection that may be left in the unit, that'll absorb it, keep everything nice and true. But it also allows us to make its own complete sealed unit of the electric motor, meaning that if there was ever to be a shaft seal failure, there's actually a pocket for the fuel to go in between the two and leak through the weep hole. It never gets in the motor and causes a failure. So the customer's never going to have a pump failure. They may have a slight leak, which is an inconvenience, but with our lifetime warranty, shoot us a phone call, we'll get it swapped over. The truck's never down. And then this unit also will have an adjustable fuel pressure regulator on the suction side of the pump, where you can fine tune it on your vehicle. Your 604s is one thing that they like to go with injectors to higher pressures, or your P-pump trucks, or if you're seeing a fuel pressure drop, you can kind of correct some of the issues with that adjustable fuel pressure.
About that on the way
Look how big this thing is. What size tire is that? Super Swamper. That's a beautiful lift though. Plan B fab. And there comes
Always
3
good
Cal
races.
Sal. Posted up. Need some rock lights under the hood now.
I'm looking at rock lights on the truck as a whole.
Powder coated the arms, everything to match. I'm here with Matt, driving back after Rudy's, and it just happens that Mark's truck or Mark's house is on the way to our house. What do you think? We're close.
Danger close, baby.
We're close.
We'll have to pull out the yardstick on this one and see.
We came here specifically to see, find out whose truck.
bigger.
Yeah, who's bigger.
We having a measuring contest today, boys.
No amp steps. But the front, oh, that's close.
Dude, they are like neck and neck. I feel like yours is angled up a little bit more.
It is.
It's probably because of
The back,
yeah. So once you level out, it's like this part right here is high, right? But when you get to this part,
Yeah, true.
it's
We got a couple upgrades since last time we saw his truck. So for one is finally got the McGaughy's white sticker on his reservoir shocks. Looking great. Billet caps, which he had last time as well. Looks good. And then one of the coolest parts I think about, well, I don't know if he had this last time. Got amp steps powder coated white with roofing money on the next level mats. That right there is really cool, ladies and gentlemen. With roofing money, and it lights up. So I'm thinking about doing like JW Motorsports and putting my logo in the middle. What do you guys think? Comment below. Should I do it? And it's also back here, which is super cool. Oh my goodness, this truck looks so good. Every time I see his truck, it makes me get super excited and anxious to get my L5P build started. Oh, also, last time you guys saw his truck, when the truck just got done, he had 38-inch Fury tires, and now he's got 38 1350 Nitto trail grapplers. And the reason for that is he prefers the ride quality on the Nittos better. So I'm actually getting Mark's 38-inch Fury tires, and we're gonna be putting that on my AT4. So we have a 7 to 9-inch Kelderman lift with 14 wides and 40s. We have a 7 to 9-inch McGaughy's lift with 38s. And yeah, they're pretty close. I will say Mark does have his keys up turned up a little bit more than Matt's, but we were always kind of curious to see whose truck would be taller, and we just had to stop by and check it out. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave a comment below and let us know. I'm gonna try to hold it as still as possible. Whose truck is taller? In the video it kind of looks like Mark's truck's a little taller, but I think he does have a little bit of leverage sitting a little bit higher on the ground. But also, what do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer like full custom look of off-road bumper and aftermarket grille, or factory plus look of factory bumper and factory grille? And as always, headlights were done at Phil with fast headlights. Headlights were done at Phil with fast headlights. Mirrors and mirrors also done with Phil at fast headlights. So yeah, we really trust Phil with all of our lighting work.
It's only in the back though. Like in the front, like once you level, I'm pretty sure that once you level yours out,
Yeah. He's got it.
All right. So who won? Who won?
He's taller.
He's taller?
a half inch, 77 and 3/8.
Yeah.
76 and 3/4.
Yeah.
Ooh, half inch.
That's it. That's it. So we're
The hood is like I said. The
Yeah,
hood,
that's what
like,
now
his
that's
hood
hard
is a
to
little
see.
bit angled up. But
Yeah. 60, 68. That's hard. I was trying to go by that cutting deal. Let's see.
Where at?
Right there. Okay. Let's see what that is. Yep, about like you said, I'm looking about a half inch. It looks like right here. Just like he said, he was
Half
spot
inch?
on. He said right here a little higher, and then it just keeps
Even out
back.
at the back.
So once you get your rear blocks, it might be, yeah, same.
It'll raise his back up, so that'll make the
Front.
front tuck back down.
Mm-hmm.
And like I said, 2 inches is perfect. Because I think mine was right at, of course it's on level. This is right at 15 and a half.
Yeah.
And then the back was, I think 13. Right at 13.
Okay.
I've never measured mine.
Here, might as well.
I know, right?
13 and a quarter.
What about front? But he's also got 40s, so.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, you're like perfectly level.
10 and a quarter.
That boy is good.
Right on it. Right on it. Because when Amy seen yours, that's how yours looks. When we went to the show, she said, that's how it needs to look if we do one.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.